Guys, this is Preeti, your friend astrologer, tarot card reader, twin flame specialist, and intuitive coach. Today I'm presenting a video on monthly reading for the month of May 2020 for Scorpio people. So Scorpions, I hope you are doing well and having a great time with your families at home and enjoying Sunday. So Scorpions, what I'm seeing is that you are dealing with a Gemini, or there is a strong Gemini in your chart, or it is a possibility that you are dealing with a fire sign, air sign, and earth sign. Earth sign can be earth sign means Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. Fire sign is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and it is a possibility that Scorpio, you are dealing with a Gemini or air sign, or you guys in high level of soulmate and twin flame connection with this person. See, this is the card of high level of soulmate and twin flame connection. And divines and angels are protecting this connection. You might be having dreams about that person, or you guys are seeing repetitive numbers. That person wants to communicate with you, whosoever he or she is, whether it's a Gemini or not, or there is a strong Gemini in your chart. That person wants to communicate with you. It is a possibility that you guys are dealing with a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or this person wants victory with you. This person wants victory in this connection. If he were not serious about you in this connection earlier, definitely he wants victory in this connection. He wants to move forward with you. He wants to be victorious in this connection. He can be a fire sign as well, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. He or she, whosoever you are dealing with, if you are a cross watcher, this can be a Scorpion's energy, or if you are a Scorpio, this can be your energy as well. You are seeing that person from far, you are thinking a lot, you are missing that person a lot, and you wants to communicate with that person. You want a victory in this connection. You think that that person is your high level of soulmate and twin flame. If you cut that person out of your life, or if that person cut you out of in life, definitely that person wants to move forward to you. That person wants to move forward to you, or if he or she moved away from this connection, or he walk out from this connection, definitely he wants to move towards you now in this connection now. This can be your energy as well, cross watcher. If you are dealing with a strong Libra person, it is a possibility that that person is very logistic, very career oriented, very mature, and he's not emotional, and you guys are more emotional. It's very logical, very intuitive mind. Definitely you and your person wants to move forward in this connection. If there's a stalemate situation in this connection earlier, definitely that person wants to move forward in this connection. He wants victory in this connection. He wants to communicate with you. He's seeing you from distance, and he's thinking a lot. He's missing a lot. He's planning a lot. Lots of things are going on his mind. See, that person wants to take leap of faith with you. He wants to come forward with you. He wants to come forward towards you. He wants to reconcile with you, reunite with you. If this is your energy, Scorpion, you are feeling defeated, definitely there is no need to worry, as whosoever you are dealing with, that person wants you to come towards you, and he wants to take the leap of faith with you. It's a possibility that you guys are from different culture background and in different cities, and if you are in the same cities, definitely there is a emotional distance between you guys. It's a possibility that you are different from each other. One is emotional and one is logical. One is more loving, and one is more carefree person. It is also a possibility that if you are a cross watcher, if this is your energy, definitely Scorpions want to take a leap of faith towards you. He wants to come forward towards you. If you are feeling defeated, there is no need to worry. If you are feeling defeated, or if Scorpions feeling defeated in this connection, definitely things are now changing, and if there is a stalemate connection, this relationship is not moving forward. Definitely there is a movement coming in this relationship. That person sees you as his family, or his or her his family, and he or she sees that there is a potential in this connection. If he wants to marry someone in future, you are that person. You are having all the potential in you. You are a complete package. If he or she wants to plan family with someone, that person can be you. That is your person's energy. It is a possibility that that person is having family issues, or he is having money issues in the past, and now he's busy. He was busy in resolving that issues, and he was not giving you much time earlier. But now he's realizing that he wants to talk to you. He wants to communicate with you. He wants to come forward with you. And if he is having career issues or money issues, definitely he is more focused on his career and pentacles, so that he can provide you stability in this connection. As he wants to marry you, he wants to he'll think that you are his counterpart. You are his you are the one for them. Definitely I'm seeing that if there is a money issues in this connection, that guys are not from a very good family, or you are not from a good family. It can be your energy as well, cross watcher. If you are having money issues, definitely you guys are more focused. You, Scorpion, or your person who's a cross watcher, is more focused on your career and your pentacles, so that you guys can have a stability, so that you guys will have a stability in this connection in future. Because that person, either Scorpion you or your cross watcher you want stability in this connection, and you want to provide pentacle, ace of pentacle to your counterpart, whosoever you are dealing with. You want to marry that person. See, there are two cards of marriage. And if you guys are already married, and this is you guys are already married, definitely, and you are emotionally distanced from each other, even if you are married, definitely things are now changing. Your counterpart is thinking a lot towards about you. He wants to come forward to you. He's seeing you from far. If you guys are in different city, town, village, and he wants to reunite with you. He wants balance in this connection. If there were no balance in this connection earlier, you see that person as Queen of Wands, very fiery, very friendly, very logical, very smart, very nurturing, caring, very passionate, very friendly. It is a possibility that she is having more male suitors. Whatsoever is the situation, either Scorpio, it is your energy, you are feeling left out and cold. If that person is not taking any action towards you, you want it is a possibility that you ask for commitment from this person, and this person has not given you any sort of commitment because he was more focused on his pentacles and career and job. This can also be the possibility. Or if this is your energy, crosswatcher, definitely you are feeling left out and cold, because Scorpion is more focused on his career, pentacles, and job, profession, maybe family issues, maybe money issues. And Scorpion, you or the person you are dealing with is feeling that this relationship gets over, and there is no hope in this connection now, and that is why you are feeling defeated. But things are now changing, as you are in a high level of soulmate and twin flame connection. Definitely your angels are protecting this connection, and you will get a judgment. If you are praying a lot for this connection and for this person, definitely your prayers will get answered. If you were in crossroads earlier, definitely your person or you are coming out of this energy. He wants to reconcile with you, reunite with you. He wants to enjoy his or her time with you. He wants a quality time with you, definitely. If you guys were friends, definitely he's missing those memories. So Scorpion, this is your energy. This is your monthly reading for the month of May 2020. I hope you like my reading. If you like my reading, please do one thing: do subscribe my channel, share and comment and like. And please let me know whether you like my reading or not. I will be bringing more of these kind of readings for you. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.